All right, welcome to
Welcome to the crib.
apartment.
Come on in.
All right, so this is apartment 122. This is our main living area. You can see the chest we have right here. And then, yeah, so this is our TV area. And you can see we have our Nintendo Switch so we can play games. And we've got Sungi's basketball jersey up from when he was trying out for the pro team. Here's our kitchen. And then we have a little storage space here. It has a laundry unit. And then continuing the tour, this is our bedroom. And this is the coolest part of the bedroom. So Sungi set this up. So here we have a projector and movie theater in the bedroom. Awesome. And then we have a washroom over here. And that's pretty much the whole tour. We have our closet here. It's kind of messy right now. And yeah, that's it. Excited to see you soon.